Hello everyone and welcome back. Thank you for tuning in to Teacher My Mommy Teacher Homeschool Edition. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification box if you want to get notifications of when we are on. And today I'm going to introduce you the skill that we're working on today. We're identifying less than and greater than with numbers. The materials that I am going to use, they are counting flashcards. You can find these counting flashcards on my website. They're downloadable. So if you go to my website, teachermommy.net, you can go and print them out under flashcards. They're called counting cards. I think they're 1 through 10 is one set of cards, and then 11 through 20 is a separate set. Yes. So 1 through 10 looks like this, and then the cards have dots so that your child can count. And then we have 11 through 20, which comes like this, but there are not any dots for the 11 through 20 numbers. So you can go to teachermommy.net and find flashcards under educational products, I believe it is, and then you can download them there. Okay, so we're going to be back in a minute because we're going to cut these out and then we're going to get started with the activity. All right, we have cut our fraction, not our fraction, our flashcard, our number flashcards. Once again, it's the counting cards. One set is, yes, hi. One set is 1 through 10 and it has the dots for counting, and the other set is 11 through 20. You can go on www.teachermommy.net and download the flashcards. They're under educational products. Okay, so now we have cut out the cards and Jennifer is going to count the numbers for us. She's going to start at the beginning with 1. All right, Jen. So after she rearranges them. Okay, now Jen, go ahead. Count for the people. Start here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16,
15,
15,
16,
17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, so now, Jennifer, for our numbers, lay down something so they can see you. Lay on your stomach like I'm doing. All right, let's see if they can see you. Yep, there we go. All right, so now for our numbers, do you know which one is the smallest number? Which one is the smallest? That means you only have a little bit of it. Which one is the smallest? Which one has the smallest amount of dots, the least amount of dots on their card? All right, so that means 1 is the smallest. 1 is the smallest. Now we're going to use something else to help Jennifer identify. Yes?
Why, if I found the one that's the smallest, why can I get it?
No, we're not picking them up yet, okay?
What?
So we're going to help Jen identify numbers being smallest to largest with the flashcards and one other manipulative. I'm going to introduce you to the counting bears. Okay, so now we have the counting bears. I placed the counting bears inside of this container just to keep them organized and not all over the floor, but it really doesn't work because the kids like to play with them anyway. So now we're going to take counting bears, and wait a minute. I'm going to have Jennifer place certain counting bears next to the number that it represents. So, how many is this?
1.
So place it on 1.
Mommy?
How many?
Mommy, but 2 is after 1.
I know, but we're skipping around. We're not doing them in order. She said 2 is after 1. Smart girl. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So put them on 4.
Ow. So many.
Hurry up, put them on 4. If he is that the number 4? Is that 14? Thank you.
Boopy. Boopy. Boop. poopy.
How many?
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, so put them on 6. I'm trying to find the smaller ones so they can fit on the card because I have small counting bears and large counting bears. But you see, this is that the number 6? But as you see, this will allow your child to have hands-on experience when they're learning how to count, how to identify numbers, and identify less than and greater than, which we haven't gotten to yet. This might end up being a part 2 lesson.
My nervous phone.
All right, you gotta hurry up so we can go to the next number.
Okay. Boop. Okay. Boop. And boop.
Okay, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, put them on 10.
Okay, I'm gonna do the skull bear first.
Okay.
1, 2. Ow. 3. Ow. They all hit their head. Oh no.
Gotta hurry up.
But there's so many.
I know, but you gotta move faster.
I can't.
Come on, don't stop. No whining, just hurry and put them on. I don't know why she's acting like this because she knows she likes this activity. Okay, but while she is putting her numbers on, these flashcards can also be used with when you're moving her to addition because they already have the dots on them 1 through 10. So you can also use these flashcards when you're helping the little one learn addition. Okay, that's your last step for this right now.
What?
Count those out for me.
But I want to do more.
I know, we can do more later. Go ahead and count those.
1, 2, wait.
Once you count them, put them on the floor so that way you can keep track.
What?
So once you pick it up, put it on the floor. 1. Just put it down. And then keep counting the rest of them.
2, wait. 2,
Mm-hmm.
3, yep.
Good.
4, yep. 5, yep. 6, yep. 7, yep. And yep. 11,
Oh,
yep.
oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9, 10, whoop. 11, wait.
Mm-hmm. 11.
11 is after 10.
Yes, it is.
11, 12, 13, 14, 16,
Not 16. 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So where's 15?
15, okay, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 15.
15.
15 right there.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You keep trying to say this is 16. That's 15. So put your bears on 15.
But what should I do? What's this one? No.
So if you did notice that when it was time for her to count to find out where 15 was, she didn't come all the way back to 1. She started with 11. So that lets you know that if your child does that, that lets you know they mastered 1 through 10. And they know that that number is not between 1 and 10.
What?
So that is showing mastery. So she started with 11 because she knew the number was between 11 and 20, but she wasn't exactly sure where it fell in between 11 and 20. So she started from 11 and counted down. So just notice those little things that your child does. You might be like, why did she start there instead of there? Because she's letting you know that she mastered 1 through 10, and she knew that 15 wasn't in between 1 and 10. So that was a good job on her part. Mommy's proud. Good job.
Right.
Okay, so go ahead and put your bears on your 15. And then we're going to show everybody how to do less than and greater than with the flashcards and the bears.
And then next, are you going to take the bears off?
Yes.
And then, am I going to do those?
No, not right now.
What?
Go ahead, put the bears on. You got a bear hiding. All right, go ahead.
She's so adorable.
Adorable?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's the cutest baby in the whole world.
All righty. Well, go ahead and put the cutest baby on the flashcard.
Not the cutest baby yet. I need to put all the, other ones on. But the ones that have these on them are so cute, and they have a little...
All right, I'm going to count down from 10. By the time I get to 0, you got to have them all on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job. All right. So now, no, you gotta leave them there.
Hey!
Went through all that. You gotta leave them there. Okay. So now, can you tell me a number that does not have a counting bear on it?
Yeah.
Tell me one of the numbers that does not have it. Can I have that?
Okay.
No, hand it to me. Thank you. All right. Tell me one of the numbers that does not have a counting bear on it.
1, 2.
No, just tell me one of them.
Why?
So, like for example, I'm gonna point to this one. Does this have a counting bear on it? No. So what number is this?
2.
2. All right. So your turn. Pick up one that does not have a counting bear on it and tell me what number it is. Quickly. All right. Pick one. Just one. You have 2. Pick one. Let's see if we're being a good listener. Are we being a good listener? Okay. So what is that number? 8. Awesome. All right. Put it down. Now I'm going to pick another one. I'm going to pick 17. Doesn't have a counting bear on it. All right. Shh. Now you pick another card that doesn't have a counting bear on it and tell me what number. All right. Uh-oh, is that 16? Is that a 6 or a 9? 19. Good job. So I'm going to pick up 9. 9 does not have counting bears. Your last one. Sit. Last one. Pick up a card that does not have a counting bear on it.
Okay. 16 of today.
16. Good job.
Bow.
Okay, so now I am going to move the card. But actually, I'm going to let you do it. Can you pick up all the cards that do not have counting bears on it? Okay, give me those. And pick up the rest of it that doesn't have. That doesn't. Come on, give me those. Okay, well then go ahead. Collect them all first and then hand them to me.
Sorry. Okay.
Only the ones that do not have counting bears on it. All right, awesome sauce. Thank you. I'll fatten them out later.
Okay. Bye.
All right. So now, can you tell me which numbers? Stop.
30.
Slide back some.
Okay.
Which numbers have counting bears on them? So what is this number?
5, 6, 5.
What is that?
11.
No, look at that. 1, 5 is what number?
It is 12.
No, it's not 12. 1,
13.
15. 15. So what is this number?
15.
15. Leave it there.
What?
What number is this?
16. 15.
Look at it.
19.
Count the dots on it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So what is it?
16!
Did you count 16 or did you count 6?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So it's 6. All right, what number is this?
4.
4. What number is this?
1.
1. What number is down there covered up?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so it's 10. Now, Jennifer, I want you to tell me, hands off, hands in your lap, hands in your lap, hands in your lap, lap. Okay, now let's look at these counting bears. We have a lot of counting bears on the floor, right?
Yeah.
Which one has the smallest amount of counting bears? Excellent. 1. Which one has the largest amount of counting bears? Excellent. 15. 15. Now, I am going to take these away because you answered these. And I'm going to take this one and I'm going to take these two. Okay, now, from the cards that we have left. Sit up. Okay, from the cards that we have left, can you tell us which one has the smallest number of counting bears on it? Count the dots.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many bears?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so we have 4 dots, 4 bears. Now, next one. How many dots?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many bears?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Uh-oh.
Wait.
We do have 7 bears. So that means we got to take one of the bears away. Take one of the bears away. Okay, we had too many bears. So now we have 6 bears.
Wait, where did everyone just go?
I got it. We got 6 bears and 6 dots. Let's do the last one. How many dots on that last card?
One.
No, the dots. Count the dots.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now count the bears.
Wait. Let me put them in order. 1, 2, 5.
Start back over counting. You messed up somewhere.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Keep going.
6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So how many more we need?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 more?
What number are we trying to get to?
10.
10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
So we just need 1 more.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now let me count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right. So now let's look at the counting bears. Sit up. Let's look at the counting bears. Which pile of counting bears has the least number, the smallest number? Which one is the smallest number? That means they only have a little bit. Good job.
Ow.
So we're going to take these away now.
Take this one.
Well, not yet. Now we have 6 and we have 10. Now look at your counting bears.
Okay.
Look at your counting bears. Now we have to remember, everybody, she is, how old are you? You just turned how old?
4.
Yes, she just turned 4. So yes, her attention span might be a little bit short, but we're going to get through this lesson. Okay, last one. We have 6 and we have 10. Which one is the largest? That means it's more. Good job. Good job. Now, I hope you all can gain something from this lesson. So, until next time, like, subscribe, share. See you later.